Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cup of tea. First, let's gather our essentials. You will need fresh, cold water, your favorite tea, and a clean mug or teapot. A kettle is also necessary to boil the water. If you enjoy a touch of sweetness or creaminess, have milk and sugar on hand. These simple items are the foundation for a perfect brew. Now, let's get the water ready. Fill your kettle with fresh, cold water. Avoid reboiling previously boiled water for the best flavor. Bring it to a full, rolling boil. While the water heats, place 1 tea bag or about 1 teaspoon of loose tea into your chosen mug. If you are using a teapot, warm it first with a splash of hot water, then pour it out. It's time to steep your tea for optimal flavor. Carefully pour the freshly boiled water directly over your tea bag or loose leaves in the cup. For black tea, allow it to steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. If you are making green tea, steep it for a shorter period, typically 1 to 2 minutes. Once steeped to your liking, gently remove the tea bag or infuser. Your tea is almost ready. Now is the time to customize it to your preference. Add a splash of milk or a spoonful of sugar if you enjoy a sweeter or creamier taste. Stir your tea gently to ensure all ingredients are well combined. Allow it to cool for a few minutes to reach a comfortable drinking temperature, around 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, relax and savor your perfectly brewed cup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.